Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where it was yesterday and then where it closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 45 cents. Why is 45 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 45 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was basically flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, however, stabilizes and then works its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying, assigning the numerical value of 45 cents to the phrase, make progress. So keep an eye on that. That's definitely a very important level. What about levels of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, you probably know right where I'm headed with this. But that is right up there at the I take that back, not 65, about 60. We'll call it 64, split the difference. So 64 cents going to be the key level if you want to call it 65. If you want to call it 63, that's fine. Like I said, I'm going to meet in the middle, and I'll call it 63 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one. All in all, though, top priority, in my opinion, not really breaking levels of resistance, more so just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.